Welcome to my overview of my lights for 2023. I have 6,496 lights on my house this year. I have a mixture of Trutone LED, Twinkly Lights, and this tree that has WWRGB, so it has warm white, red, green, blue, so it can make lots of different colors. So I'm going to start with this tree that I've done here first. It has 1,000 lights on it, and it has a multicolor LED, and I got these from Christmas designers. And it also has a bunch of Snowfall tubes, as you can see around it, which are super cool. Some of them are 3 foot long, some of them are 2 feet long, and some of them are 1 foot long. And those are all from Christmas designers, ProChristmas brand. I think a couple of them are Minlian. And then there's just a little string of white icicle lights in the middle from Target that I've put on. Around the bottom of the tree are Tru-Tone bulbs, and there are 41 of them. They are the classy color. One of the cool things about this tree is it has a remote, and it has a lot of different colors. You can't really see that, but I can change this tree to do many different things. In the past, I've only just had a blue light on this tree, which we'll see in another tree, but I got these this year, and it has many different varieties. So there's 1,000 light bulbs on the tree, and there's 41 Trutone around the bottom. There are 928 little LED bulbs on the Snowfall tubes around the tree. Here I have a Jacksonville Jaguars lighted ornament. My mom bought this for me in the late 90s, maybe early 2000s. So it halfway works. I've thought about coming around and fixing it sometime, but I have yet to get to it. I did not count these lights because I forgot to count them in my total, so you can add another 15 or so. But this is just kind of fun. I've had it since I was a kid. It's my only ornament that I have outside. Everything else are lights either on the trees or on the ground. On the front of my house, on my garage, I have 38 light bulbs, and 27 of them are Trutone, and 11 of them are incandescent. The ones that are twinkling are incandescent bulbs because Trutone does not make an incandescent bulb. So that's how I kind of throw them in to add a little bit of variety to it. On the top, I have the same thing. I have Trutone bulbs that I bought online, and then I have incandescent that are blinking. On the sides of the garage, I have twinkly lights. There are 2,860 lights on these 2 bushes on the sides of the garage, and the bushes on the front of the house and along the driveway. And these lights are cool because you can change them with an app. Right now they're just doing blue and white, and these turn off at 9 o'clock, so they do not run all night. The twinkly bulbs do run all night. On the front of the house, I have 24 Trutone bulbs. These are the classic color C7 around the door. And on the steps, I have 2 garlands, and those are from Christmas designers. Around the bottom, I have 89 blue and white Trutone bulbs that outline the front area in front of the tree. And on the bushes, I have more twinkly bulbs that are just currently doing a blue and white pattern. There are 88 green C7 bulbs on that bush. On the window, I have 31 Trutone bulbs. The ones along the bottom are classic color red, and the ones going up and around the top are Jeweltone red. Inside, I have a tree with more Trutone bulbs, and I have 2 candles from Amazon, and those are really awesome candles. They look real. They are LED. I know people have asked about them. Maybe I'll do a quick video. I couldn't find any information on them before I got them. Overall, I have 6 candles, 2 in the window, 1 up top, and 1 on each of the side windows. Down here, I have 4 trees that are made of incandescent lights, and these are tomato cages that have a little controller on them that's just doing random light sequences. They are incandescent because incandescent does a lot better with on and off and with dimming, so they look really nice just having them on there. Better in my opinion than LED, even though I like LED with some of the benefits they provide. My big blue tree has 700 LED lights. These are from Christmas designers. There is a mixture of straight blue, and then some of them have blue with a white strobe effect. These use the coaxial connection, so I have one at the bottom and then it goes up each branch. And then there are 150 Trutone blue wrapped around the tree. When the LED lights turn off, those Trutones stay on all night. There are 25 incandescent twinkle bulbs on that tree. Will also stay on all night. On the whole house, there are 843 Trutone bulbs around the bottom and around the tops and around the steps and around the door and around the garage. So there's a lot of Trutone. All the green and red I bought a year ago. Most of them still work. I see there's a white one not working. I bought the white and blue last year. All the ones on the roof are new this year. So that's what I added. The colors are on the top this year, but the green and red Jeweltone are from last year. There are 195 Trutone on the roof line, and there are 79 along the bottom and more on the window. I forgot to count those, so there's actually a little bit more. And along here I have some little branches from Target. They just kind of go along the side of the house. These will turn off at 9 o'clock too, so they'll have a different view the rest of the night. Those turn off and only the Trutones will stay on. The back I have green lights from Christmas designers. These are the ProChristmas that I purchased. I have 1,070 of these light bulbs. They used to be on the tree out front, so I moved them back here. They're on a little controller that just kind of make it look like they're moving across the bushes. This little tree right here is more Trutone. It is teal with white clear bulb. My patio lights do have white and yellow Trutone, and I had these out all year. Unfortunately, it looks like about 5 or 6 of them have stopped working. The white ones, some of the white ones just don't work, and the yellow ones are really dull. These ones are on every day for 4 hours a day since I bought them last December. To be honest, some of them have stopped working, and that's a little bit of a bummer. Up here I have 2 trees that each have 25 bulbs on them. These are Classy Color C7 Trutone. One is purple, the close one, and the far one is a pink color. And these are just 2 trees I have in my backyard, and I had some extra lights, so I put these lights on here. You can see them from the front of the house, but not very much. They just kind of glow in the backyard. On the other side of my house, I do have 36 more Trutone that goes across this gutter. I only go about halfway of the house because you can't really see the rest, but this year I added these on this side too, so you could see both sides. Looks like one of them on the end has come off the gutter, but that's okay. And there's my last little set of Trutone. And there's the overview of my 6,496 lights. A few of them we're not counting, so there are at least 6,500 lights out here. It was fun. It took me about 4 weeks, mostly weekends, to put it all together. And I have some videos on that you can go back and watch. But there's 843 Trutone, 41 teal Trutone. The roof line has 195 lights. The ground has 49 green, 89 blue and white. So 168 total on the bottom. The steps has 48. The garage has 38. The red window has 31, and there's 88 on the green bush. The multi-green tree over there has 1,000 lights, and my blue tree has 700 lights, and my green bushes in the back have 1,070 bush lights on them. The 2 garlands on my step have 100 lights total, and I have 2,860 twinkly lights, and then the Snowfall tubes have 928 little LEDs in them, so each foot has about 16 LEDs if I remember correctly. And so some of them are a foot long and some of them are 3 feet long. But those are my lights for this year. So thanks everybody for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and have a great Christmas.